Democracy promotion, if I try and talk about, it has been also a very sorry state of affair. I am taking the example of Iraq, a country in West Asia. It became independent in the year 1932, and in the year 1968, there was a coup and Arab Socialist Baath Party became the head of the country. The word Baath means renaissance, a new age, reformation. Saddam Hussein, the leader of the Arab Socialist Baath Party, he gave number of reforms to the country. He gave voting right to the women, and he went against the Islamic traditions and tried to establish a better government in the country. Of course, before he actually established himself, he had been a very, very harsh dictator who killed innumerable people, was very, very strong and supposed to be unjust towards the people who opposed his move. Saddam Hussein's government was not liked, or US and Britain were suspicious of Saddam Hussein. So they said that Saddam Hussein had nuclear weapons in the country, which could be a total threat to the peace of the world. A UN team in 2003, a UN team went to inspect the Iraq country, but they found nothing. But in 2003, this government was removed. That is, Saddam Hussein was totally out of scene because the US and UK were against him. And immediately after his removal, an interim government was formed in Iraq, which was pro them. And the then head of the UN, Kofi Annan, was against this move of both the countries, UK and US, against Iraq, and criticized this attack as unjust and illegal. But he was helpless and could do nothing against these two member countries, which means there is still a long way wherein an organization in the world can have a true hold on various countries, their moves, and bring about equality, a just society in the world. That's all about democracy in the world. Thank you.